Today, let us discuss problem 45, which is also based on the Advanced 2025. A topic you can see, three topics are combined. Newton's laws, vertical motion and simple harmonic motion. This is, generally they do like this, where topics should be combined, clubbed. So this is an example of that type, and this is a fairly simple question only. So let us see how we can proceed. Statement you can see, this is based on lift, an elevator accelerating upward or downward, like that. The apparent weight formula we have to use, which must have been discussed in your class. So that formula we have to use. Here the simple harmonic motion is because it's an hypothetical question actually. This elevator is undergoing some sort of simple harmonic motion. So sometimes the acceleration will be maximum upwards, sometimes it will be maximum downwards, like that. So accordingly the weight will change, apparent weight will change. So it's based on that. So we start like this. Y is equal to 8 1 plus sine omega t. Let us take it like that. Where omega equals 2 pi by t. Where t is given in the question as 2 pi by 50. Omega 40 pi. So that is 1 by 20 seconds. Implies omega equals 1 by 20 second inverse. That is the omega value. Now if you differentiate it once, dy by dt will give you the speed of the elevator at any instant. Dy by dt equals 8 omega cos omega t. For the differentiation, second differential gives d2y by dt square, which gives us minus 8 omega square sine omega t. So this is the instantaneous acceleration of the acceleration of elevator at time t. Acceleration of elevator at time t. Elevator at time t. Time t. A is equal to minus 8 omega square sine omega t. Omega square sine omega t. So from this you can get the maximum time t. This is the value. Maximum value is 8 omega square. A maximum is 8 omega square. So which I will continue after. This is a numerical answer type question. So with the 2 decimal places, you have to give the answer as a numerical value. So we got the acceleration at time t as a equal to minus 8 omega square sine omega t. Because when sine omega t takes 1, omega t is, sine omega t is 1, you get the maximum. So it implies A maximum is equal to, A maximum is this value, 8 omega square. Modulus of that we work out. That is 8 times omega square, we got it as 1 by 20 square, that is 1 by 400, giving us 1 by 50. 1 by 50 meter per second square. Now we go by the maximum and minimum values of maximum and minimum values. Maximum and minimum values. Maximum and minimum values of apparent weight. Are given by now we have the general formula W apparent is equal to apparent weight is equal to M into G plus or minus A. Going up, depending whether it's going up or down, plus A for upward motion of the elevator, down means minus. So here we use maximum and minimum values of apparent weight are given by, implies this W maximum is equal to M into G plus A maximum, which occurs when the elevator is moving up. W minimum is given by, when the elevator has A maximum in the upward direction, this maximum reading will be obtained, and W minimum is given by M into G minus A maximum. This G minus means when it's accelerating with the maximum value downwards. So actually this full apparent weight we don't need to get. What we want is only the difference, maximum variation in the observed weight. That is what we switch. So we can say delta W maximum is equal to 2MA maximum. 2MA maximum. That is the required value. That is the required. This only if you work out this, that will give you the numerical answer required. So required maximum variation is required maximum variation is just numerical calculation of this value. Required maximum variation equals this delta W 2M A maximum into A maximum, which gives us 2M is 50, A maximum we got it as 1 by 50. So it easily simplifies to give you 2 newtons, 2.00 newtons. 2 newtons we are getting. So when you write the answer, you have to express it to 2 decimal places, means 2.00. Whether even if you don't mark 0, it will be understood 2 newtons. So it's actually a numerical answer. This is the just numerical answer like that. So this also a symbol, just like our previous question. This also, once you remember this formula, this apparent weight formula, just you can get the answer easily. If you understood I believe you understood the steps. Thank you.